Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to fix Shadowban on Instagram. So let's talk first what is Shadowban. So Shadowban is something that limits your reach engagement on the app and basically makes your account hidden, and this will affect your growth as an account. So there's actually some reasons on why shadow ban is happening, but this is not official. But here are 4 steps or signs that you can take as something that the reasons for being shadow banned. So for the first one is violating the Instagram community rules. Maybe you posted nudity or sexual content or violence or anything like that. So if you did do that, then you can expect a shadow ban on your account. So the second hint is fake engagements. There are some people offering to spam your account with likes, with follows, and this will make you and your account shadow banned. So the third is spamming activity. So there are actually some times that people who are following a lot of person in an hour or commenting on too many posts under an hour has been detected by Instagram, and their account will be shadow banned. So the fourth is using banned hashtags. So there are some hashtags that Instagram has limited because maybe this is not healthy for the community. So now that we know all that, we can now try to fix if our account has been shadow banned. So the first thing we need to do is head over to Instagram. So the first method of fixing the shadow ban is heading over to your 3 lines up here, clicking that, clicking to settings, and then you can see here the help, click on that. And once you're there, you can report a problem to Instagram. And the second thing you need to do is you can remove the apps that are causing autobots. So to do that, you just need to go over to settings, go to security, and you can see here the apps and website. Just click on that, and you can see here all the apps active, expired, or removed on your account, and you can select to delete some of those that you think are causing the shadow ban. So the third method is going over to your posts and tagging and seeing if your posts are using banned hashtags. So once you see that those hashtag has been banned, you can try to remove that post and hope for the best. So the last thing that you can do is take a break. There are some users that have reported that their shadow ban has been lifted when they tried to get off the app for a couple of days. And that's it. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.